Got a cold or cough? These fruits can help you recover faster. Oranges, loaded with vitamin C. Oranges strengthen your immune system, helping your body fight off cold and cough symptoms. Kiwi. Kiwi is packed with vitamin C and E, which boost immunity and reduce the severity of cold symptoms. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps reduce mucus and ease throat irritation during a cold. Blueberries. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, blueberries help reduce cold-related inflammation. Bananas. Easy to digest and soothing. Bananas provide energy and comfort, especially when you have a sore throat. What's your go-to fruit for fighting colds? Let us know in the comments.